Going on, everybody? Leo here with the Cohen Group Northwest, and I'm really excited to give you a virtual tour of 76B Sudden Valley Drive in Sudden Valley. You guessed it. So yes, this is just under $300,000, and that is pretty rare even in Sudden Valley at this point. So we're in what I would explain to be a very, very well priced, very affordable home. Talk about affordable inventory. Here it is. Let's jump right in. All right, so we've just walked in the front door, and just to give everyone some specs on this house, this is a 3-bed, 1-bath, 800 square foot house, and it was built in 1976. A lot of homes out in Sudden Valley were built at this time. The natural setting, it's actually pretty open and well-used open space for a smaller home, 800 square feet. We hear this term in real estate. It is all about how it feels when you walk in, and this is nice and open, so it actually uses the space pretty well. So we're now taking a step towards the front, or the back deck, facing your sea of green. So if you like spending, afternoons or evenings sitting out on a back deck looking at green and seeing the sun peek through the pine needles, this is a great option for you. It's back towards the kitchen, so you can see it's very open. It's a simple layout, and I think simplicity is great. Lots of room to work with here. So you've got carpets in the living room, and you've got the vinyl plank in the kitchen and over by the washer and dryer. So washer and dryer is by the front door, as you can see straight ahead. Got some storage here to the left, and plenty of room for a couch, TV, and a nice place to kick back with an open concept to the kitchen. A nice flow. Another one of my favorite features of this house, if you look up, is the wood paneling on the ceiling. So it's got a little bit of a modern vibe to it, but it does also feel like your cabin in the woods. So it's a good blend for me here. Lots of good natural light, which is also rare in Sudden Valley. There's not a lot of light because there's a lot of trees. A nice slab, countertop, bar setup here. So you can have a formal dining room off to the right, and you can have a nice little bar with 3 to 4 bar stools there. So it's actually a pretty sizable breakfast bar, if you will. And we're going to look to the left here down the hallway towards our bedrooms. Okay, so taking a step down the hallway, we've got the 1 bath on our right where you can see the light coming out of. So we're going to take a step into there. It has been updated. You've got a nice countertop, a nice little vanity, the vinyl tile floors, insert. And this bathroom, one of my favorite parts is that it's nice and bright. Your cabin in the woods, but you also have a nice bright bathroom. It's a great place to step into and wake up. Bedroom number 1, and we are in 800 square feet, so the bedrooms are sized accordingly. So they're pretty useful size, but they are tighter bedrooms. You could have 1 or 2 as bedrooms. You could have a bonus room, but all 3 are legal bedrooms. So now we are facing bedrooms 2 and 3. In the past, this was used as the primary bedroom to the left here, and there's another equally sized bedroom to the right. This is looking back up towards the driveway and back up towards Sudden Valley Drive. So we're going to turn around here and look back down the hallway. Again, one of my favorite parts about this is simplicity. I think sometimes we get these elaborately laid out houses, and for me personally, I love a simple layout. That means you can alter things if you'd like to easily. This property would be a fantastic rental property, super affordable, and would give you a good return on investment. Reach out to me. I can let you know what the rental rates were for this property while it was rented. As you can see, simple layout, super practical layout, and would be perfect for a first-time home buyer, somebody that's looking to downsize. Affordability is a huge factor here. Compact space, but good use of space. For any other questions or further information or private showing, reach out to me, 360-820-3434 or leo@cohengroupnw.com. You can find this on our website, social media, everywhere, and I hope you enjoyed this tour.